Messi gets the trash car. Ronaldo takes the gold supercar. Georgina picks the money car. Neymar drives the strawberry candy car.
This thing won't even start.
Whoa, so cool. But no AC? Seriously?
Ugh, the cash keeps flying out the windows.
Candy car, it's melting in the sun.
Hold up, new plan. The money car goes to Neymar. He's rich anyway. Georgina gets the strawberry candy car. I'm keeping the gold supercar. Now tell me, who should drive this trash car? Like for Messi. Subscribe for Ronaldo.